Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I do my at-home facial. Alright, let's get started. So first step is you want to double cleanse, and I'm using my micellar water and applying it to my facial pad. And what this does, it gently cleanses the skin without over drying it. After I apply my micellar water, I'm just going in with my Peppy Day and Night Cleanser, and I'm applying a dime size amount on my Peppy Cleansing Egg, and I'm just going to work that in circular motions on my face. Let me tell you guys about the Peppy Cleansing Egg. I absolutely love it. And it's really great because it's super gentle, but you're also getting a really good deep clean. You can adjust the vibration settings to your liking, and it removes any dirt, oil, and makeup in your skin. Now I'm removing the excess cleanser with a nice warm cloth, and you want the temperature just hot enough so that it opens up the pores in the face. Next step is exfoliating, and I'm using a liquid exfoliant, and I'm just applying this to my face and concentrating on my T-zone areas and by my nose where I suffer the most from blackheads. And I like to use a liquid exfoliant because it's not as drying and harsh on my skin as a physical exfoliant, so it still leaves my skin nice and moisturized. Next step is mask, and I'm using the Peppy all-in-one face mask, and this mask can be used in the day or the nighttime, and it has no harmful chemicals in it, and it gives my skin the extra hydration that it needs. I'm going to leave that on for approximately 10 minutes, and after I'm going to apply a nice hot towel on my face. And I'm gently patting the rag on my face and opening up the pores and letting any impurities out. It feels so nice and relaxing. Next, I'm using my treatment mask. This is the Peppy LED mask, and I'm leaving it on for about 20 minutes. And what the Peppy mask does is it helps your face have a nice clearer complexion and helps with any problem areas you may have. And lastly, I'm going to be applying my serums and my moisturizer. So I'm going to start off with my serum, then apply my moisturizers, and apply my eye cream at the end. If you're doing this in the daytime, I highly suggest applying sunscreen. Sunscreen is your friend. And after I go in with my serums and moisturizer, I like to take my facial massager and really massage everything nicely into the face. And you can also use a gua sha or a jade roller and really nicely massage the face. And that is it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.